About a dozen times a week, I get a DM from someone on Instagram asking me about my sales funnel and how I convert my followers, into sales. Um, and if they can help me build out my website or my e-store or a course or this or that or Patreon, and they can help me and it's a low cost. And like, let's hop on a phone call. It's like they all watched the same like sales bootcamp video. And now they're all targeting, influencers with like, hey, I can help build out your business and give you a sales funnel. So anyway, usually they're very direct and usually they don't follow me. Usually they're like, hey, bro, I can help you build out your sales funnel. You interested? Let's hop on a call. And I'm like, delete. But recently what I noticed is that they write me and they're asking like specific questions. Like they're like, hey, when's your next one-on-one? Or when's your next boot camp? Or when's your next coaching seminar? And I go live a lot on TikTok. So I started, at first I was like, oh, maybe they mean my live. So I wrote back and I was like, I go live every Sunday. And they were like, well, do you have like resources? And I'm like, yeah, my website. And I give them the link to my website. And at first I was like, all right, but then I realized that they were like changing their approach. Like instead of being direct, like, hey, bro, they were like, do you offer this? Oh, and then after we have a little dialogue, that like must be like step 2 of the like how to be a sales bro, is like befriend them and get chatting with them and ask them questions and then slide in that you can help them. Stuff like this. Yo, do you still have one-on-one open? How do I join your wait list? So it should go without saying that if I wanted to convert all of you into sales and leads, I'd have done it by now. But I still sometimes get comments like this saying, he says we should invest, but doesn't explain what to invest in or even where to start. First of all, no credible finance content creator will tell you what to invest in. They just won't. So if you're like, tell me what to invest in, you need to hire yourself a financial advisor, which you don't want to do or you can't afford because they're very expensive or they only work with like very high income people. So if you want to learn how to invest or where to start, the first thing you need to do is go right here to my homepage, and right here you will see all of these playlists. And if you scroll like this, you will see the thing that says view all. If you click on that, you will see over 40 playlists that teach you how to find and research stocks, Roth IRAs, ethical investing, investor stereotypes. Some videos are funny, some videos are serious. There are 40 playlists with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos in them. If you want even more free resources, you need to go right here, click on the menu, and this will open up. This is what the menu looks like. Frequently asked questions, playlist, content catalog, investing for beginners, free resource guide. This is huge. Over 30,000 people have downloaded this. If I sold it for $10 a copy, I'd be sitting on a lot of money right now. Which ETF is better template? Fundamental research analysis template. There's a lot of stuff in here that is free that will help you with where to start. This is just what the free resource guide looks like. It's just a bunch of links to websites that I use to do my own research. There is also a blog. Here's one of the articles, 6 strategies for taking profits, because it's a question a lot of people ask. I started doing these live recaps from my Sunday morning lives. The most popular questions I answer here. So if you missed the live or you came into the live late and you were like, but what about one of these things? I update every Sunday afternoon after my live ends right here on my homepage on my website. So hit the follow. See you later.